Are you looking for the best websites to start earning from your investments? Listen, I'll tell you something while I'm driving here. You know, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I'm going to tell you something. If you're looking to grow your money, there are plenty of websites that can help you make smart investment decisions. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones are the best? Don't worry, we've got you covered. All right? So listen, in this video, we're going to look at some of the best investment earning websites that can really help you start growing your wealth today. Okay? I'll give you 5 of them. So 5 great websites to explore. First one, Investopedia. Okay? Full of educational articles and guides to help you understand investing. The second one is Motley Fool. Gives you stock tips and advice from experts, perfect for beginners. You got Morningstar. Offers detailed research on stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs to help you choose the right investments. You also have E-Trade, which is a great site for both beginners and experts, experienced investors with easy-to-use tools. And you also have Vanguard, which provides low-cost options for investing in stocks, bonds, and retirement accounts. Now, with these websites, you're going to be well on your way to making smart investment choices and earning money over time. So don't wait, start today. And if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.